Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on banking operations management. This is part 8. Now come to the questions. 1. In settlement T plus 2, T stands for A. Trade time, B. Trade day, C. Trade terms, D. Time for settlement. Correct option is B. Trade day. 2. One of the following is an example of derivative? A. Warrants, B. Baskets, C. Swaptions, D. All of these. Correct option is D. All of these. 3. The process in which illiquid assets are converted into marketable securities is known as A. Mutualization, B. Dematerialization, C. Rematerialization, D. Securitization. Correct option is D. Securitization. 14. Securitization and reconstruction of financial assets and enforcement of security interest Act passed in the year A. 1992, B. 2002, C. 2005, D. 2000. Correct option is B. 2002. So here correct option is A. Application supported by blocked amount. 6. In financial circle, the name Dalal Street is used synonymous to dash A. BSE, B. Nasdaq, C. NSE, D. OTCEI. Correct option is A. BSE. 7. The name Wall Street is used to synonymous to dash A. Bombay Stock Exchange, B. Nasdaq, C. National Stock Exchange, D. New York Stock Exchange. Correct option is D. New York Stock Exchange. 8. Credit rating indicates dash of company. A. Financial status, B. Overall efficiency, C. Management efficiency, D. All. Correct option is A. Financial status. 9. Credit rating is only A. Oblique and dash A. Opinion, B. Recommendation, C. Suggestion, D. Advice. Correct option is A. Opinion. 10. Which of the following is not a credit rating agency? A. CRISIL, B. ICRA, C. DCR India, D. None. Correct option is D. None. 11. At present, how many non-scheduled banks are functioning in India? Here correct option is D. 0. 12. Investment Information and Credit Rating Agency of India, IICRA, is A. Private company, B. Public company, C. Government company, or D. Statutory company. Correct option is B. Public company. 13. Variety of mutual fund is known as Nest X. A. Balanced funds, B. Fund of funds, C. Money market mutual fund, D. Growth oriented funds. Correct option is B. Fund of funds. 14. Generally mutual funds are of A. High risk, B. Risk free, C. Low risk, D. Any of the above. Correct option is C. Low risk. Generally mutual funds are of low risk. 15. The corpus of funds and its duration is fixed in case of dash fund. A. Open ended, B. Balanced, C. Closed ended, D. Income fund. Correct option is C. Closed ended. 16. The market performance of mutual fund can be judged on the basis of A. Net asset value or intrinsic value, B. Capital appreciation, C. Regular oblique stable income, D. Any of these. Correct option is D. Any of these. 17. Dash is the regular of mutual funds in India. A. RBI, B. IRDA, C. SEBI, D. Both SEBI and GOI. Correct option is D. Both SEBI and GOI, Government of India. 18. Dash is the venture capital assistance at the stage where the project started to fetch profit but not reached in its full efficiency. A. Startup capital, B. Mezzanine capital, C. Bridge capital, D. Seed capital. Correct option is B. Mezzanine capital. 19. In leasing, the risk of obsolescence is assumed by the lessee. A. Financial lease, B. Operating lease, C. Both the above or D. None. Correct option is A. Financial lease. 20. Dash is tripartite lease arrangement. A. Financial lease, B. Operating lease, C. Leverage lease, D. Sale and lease back. Correct option is C. Leverage lease. 21. In hire purchase, depreciation can be claimed by the A. Hirer, B. Vendor, C. Financiers, The all. Correct option is A, higher. 22. A merchant bank can claim a charge dash percentage as the commission for the whole issue. A 5%, B 2.5%, C 0.5%, G 0.25%. Correct option is C, 0.5%. 23. Which of the following is not a quantitative credit control tool of RBI? A bank rate, B open market operation, C SLR, D margin requirements. Correct option is D margin requirement. 24. Which of the following is a selective or quantitative credit control method? A bank rate, B open market operation, C variable reserve ratio, or D credit rationing. Correct option is D credit rationing. 25. Currency notes of rupee 1 and other lower subsidiary coins are issued by A RBI, B commercial banks, C Ministry of Finance, D banknote press. Correct option is C Ministry of Finance. 26. American depository receipts ADRs are issued by A Indian company, B American company, C overseas depository, D international exchange. Correct option is C overseas depository. 27 dash is the process of converting securities in electronic form into physical form. A rematerialization, B dematerialization, C demutualization, D mutualization. Correct option is A rematerialization. 28 dash is dealing in securities done by those who are having access to price sensitive information. A margin trading, B insider trading, C price rigging, or D was sales. Correct option is B insider trading. 29. Dash is a calculated move with an expectation to reap huge profit from market fluctuations. A gambling, B speculation, C genuine investment, D none. Correct option is B speculation. 30. Speculators are optimistic in nature. Which or dash speculators? So here correct option is A. Bullish speculators are optimistic in nature. So this was all about the tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button and pass on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.